You don't see the whole picture, and that's what makes me angry with the DA's office. Angry.
Your Honor, I understand what you're saying, but the case law is very clear, though, that they have to show these certain things under a young blood case. And so in every case, the state is not going to hold on to the medical examiner is not going to keep the body. The way that their procedure is they conduct the autopsy, the body's released.
Don't put the blame on the young lady who cremated it. She didn't know she was facing capital murder. Nobody did that. Yes, you did. You just said the defense and the family could have done whatever they needed to do at the time. The body was turned over to them. They could have done whatever. And those kind of arguments are just outrageous to me that I can't stand to hear it. Outrageous. And that's how you guys operate. That's how you guys operate. Outrageously. You don't operate with fairness and decency and justice. And I'm sick and tired of it. Sick and tired of it. It's not going to happen under my watch, under my time, in my court. You don't say those stupid, absolutely outrageous arguments, because I can't stand it. Because it's not fair, it's not just, it's not justice. This is the flavor I'm getting. I'm getting the flavor that there's been disrespect and not kindness in this case. I think Miss Lay probably has been practicing law, or you, Miss Salter, has been practicing law a little bit longer than Miss Osterberg. And so you kind of picked on her. Why would you say nonsensical to an objection? Vague, global, doesn't make sense, don't understand it, but nonsensical is mean. Is mean. And that's why Ms. Osterberg is saying here, I don't want to talk to you guys. You guys are disrespectful and you guys are mean.
There was no disrespect intended, Judge.
Why would you say nonsensical? That's disrespectful. Have you ever said nonsensical in other responses?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you're disrespectful to a lot of people, and that's rude and mean. And let me tell you, in this world, we don't need any more of that. We've got plenty of that. I guess all I can say is this, and this might help you guys out. You know, he's having lots of really, really bad, and Mr. Shelley did tell us that, really bad medical issues. And they're all involved in the groin area, all issues of, you know, sometimes karma's a bitch. And let me tell you, if he did it karmically, he's suffering right now. Because God hit him right in the place where it all started. Really?
Correct. And he's a double amputee now.
Yes.
Amazing he's still alive.
Right. He can't feel anything down there. That has
Judge.
That has to be hell on earth, and that's karmic. And if he did it, there it is. God's taking care of it. There's justice. God's taking care of it. If he did it. If he did it, and I don't know if that's going to bring any comfort to the complaining witnesses. I mean, the mother, it might not, because it's just so horrific, right? It might not. But I had to share that with you. Okay, Ms. Noyola, I'm not trying to offend you. I'm not trying to piss you off. I'm just telling you, Mr. Cifuentes did it and he's never been the host. That's all. And I'm saying, just for future reference, ask him and see what he did. You know, I learn different features on Zoom every day. Don't be offended. He did it for us last week. Did he do it for us last week, Jesse, or 2 weeks ago?
I believe it was last week, Judge.
Okay, so he did it for us, and he wasn't the host or the co-host, was he, Jesse?
He was not, Judge.
Yes, no, I'm not making this up and I'm not trying to piss you off, Ms. Noyola. You pissed me off with your attitude. Goodbye. Have a good life. Figure it out. Please. That's what you should have said at the very beginning instead of pissing me off. Bye, Ms. Noyola.